Baby boomers, I got a question to ask you. Do you have a will? Or do you have a will that's been updated in the last few years? If you have a family, or you're living with somebody, a couple, you need to have a will, because eventually nobody's getting out alive. There's no U-Haul behind your hearse. You take nothing with you, but hopefully your soul and whatever memories that you've created over your lifetime. So besides a will, to make sure that you don't go through probate, you either need two documents, either a trust or a TOD. And if you have bank accounts, you would need a POD. And these are documents that will protect you from the court taking over your estate, hiring an attorney, and then if you have real estate, the attorney's gonna hire a broker like me to sell those properties. So it's important, if you want to pass on your assets to your heirs or whomever you dictate in your will, you got to make sure there's a simple transition away from the IRS and the government directly to your heirs. And if you haven't done this, why not? Get off your butt and begin. Because the court is right there waiting to take over your will when you pass. Now, what happens if you go comatose? You're still alive. You've already set up your executor or your executrix in your will. But what happens if you're not dead? And you and your wife were in a bad car accident, as an example. Who's going to pay your bills and handle your affairs while you're not able to? So you need to hire an administrator, and that's important to make sure your bills get paid and all the other decisions that have to be made. So you need to have a power of attorney. You need to have your administrator be able to take hold of things when the time comes, God forbid, that you're in an accident and you cannot handle your affairs. So you got to keep that in mind. If you have any other questions, you can call me, the broker at Turnkey Real Estate, Phil, at 516-647-4289. Again, 516-647-4289. Take care, and thanks for listening and watching.